Dreaming of studying in Europe? If you've struggled to secure a visa appointment in Poland, here's your golden opportunity. With a visa success rate of over 95%, Hungary is one of the most student-friendly Schengen countries for international learners. Our partnership. We are proud to announce a strategic collaboration between Parrot Canada Visa Consultant Co. Ltd. and Budapest Metropolitan University, METU. Through this partnership, students receive direct admission pathways to METU's world-class programs, and expert visa guidance with a high success rate, and study and AMP legal work opportunities in Hungary. Comprehensive support from application to enrollment and beyond. Programs and AMP, tuition fees, business, communication and AMP, tourism, bachelor's programs, BSc, BA, business administration and AMP, management, $2,600, EU, $3,300, non-EU per semester. Commerce and AMP, marketing, $2,700, $3,400. Tourism and AMP, catering, $2,700, $3,400. Communication and AMP, media studies, $2,700, $3,400. International relations, $2,700, $3,400. Finance and AMP, accounting, $2,600, $3,300. Human resource management, $2,700, $3,400. International business economics, $2,700, $3,400. Master's programs, MSc, MA, MBA. Management and AMP, leadership, $3,100, $3,600. Marketing, $3,100, $3,600. Tourism management, $3,100, $3,600. Communication and AMP, media studies, $3,100, $3,600. MBA, $3,300, 40 or 90. Human resource counseling, $3,100, $3,600. Business development, $3,100, $3,600. International economy and AMP, business, $3,100, $3,600. Art and AMP, design programs, bachelor's programs, BA, animation, $3,990, $4,990. Environmental design, $3,990, $4,990. Film and AMP, media studies, $3,600, $4,600. Graphic design, $3,990, $4,990. Design culture, $3,990, $4,990. Media design, $3,990, $4,990. Photography, $3,990, $4,990. Visual representation, $3,990, $4,990. Master's programs, MA. Graphic design, $3,990, $4,990. Art and AMP, design management, $3,100, $3,600. Animation, $3,990, $4,990. Media design, $3,990, $4,990. Fashion and AMP, textile design, $3,990, $4,990. Why choose METU in Budapest? Internationally recognized degrees. Study in Budapest, a vibrant European capital. Work opportunities during your studies. A welcoming community of students from 100+ countries. Start your journey today. Apply online now through our partnership and secure your future in Hungary. Contact Parrot Canada Visa Consultant Co. Ltd. for admission, visa assistance, and study work guidance. Our offices, Parrot Canada, Visa Consultant Co. Ltd. Rwanda Town Center Building, near Simba Supermarket, 2nd floor, door F2B022C, Nyarugenge, Kigali. Infos at visaconsultantcanada.com. Kenya, Embu, Dallas, CFF Street. Info at visaconsultantcanada.co. Ke, Ghana, Ahinsah Estate. Kumasi. Admission at Visa Consultant Canada. Zambia. Plot number 40, St. Francis Road, Bonaventure, Lusaka. Infos at visaconsultantcanada.com. Tanzania. Registered office, Dar es Salaam Region, Ubungo District, Ward Mbezi, Postal Code 116133, Mbezi Luis, Mbezi High School infos at visaconsultantcanada.com. South Korea. Suwon, Paldal-gu, Paldalmun-ro, 115, Byongil 38. First floor, plus 82, 10, 9862, 0978. General contact info. WhatsApp, +1 438 290 6688. Phone, +1 263 588 5750. Info at visaconsultantcanada.com. www.visaconsultantcanada.com. Parrot representative contacts worldwide. Hungary, +36 70 352 7547. Kenya, Nairobi, +254 711 807646. Uganda, Kampala, +256 784 547702. China, +86 131 3257 7440. Turkey, +90 533 869 40 92. USA, +1 567 329 to 9231. Rwanda, +250 780 273 122. Ghana, +233 59 340 0478. Canada, +1 431 302 0226. Zambia, +260 972968285. Mozambique, +258 86 352 3312. South Korea, +82 10 9862 0978.